In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your iPhone screen to start displaying on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. And first things first, what you want to do is to make sure that both your iPhone and your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So basically, if you come over to my iPhone over here and then just come over to the Wi-Fi settings, you will notice that my iPhone is actually connected to Redmi 12, which is my hotspot. So you can actually connect to the same hotspot or the same Wi-Fi. To connect your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV to that same hotspot, just scroll down and then come over to the settings icon at the bottom left corner of the TV. Go ahead and click on this settings icon and then scroll down until you get to connectivity over here. Scroll over to network, go over to network configuration, and as you can see over here, my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV is connected to Redmi 12, which is the same hotspot that my iPhone is connected to. Now finally, you want to go ahead and open up the Apple AirPlay of your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV, and to do that, head over to the settings again. So come over to this settings icon at the bottom over here, scroll over to connection, and then scroll down to where you have AirPlay and HomeKit over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now at this point, you want to make sure that Apple AirPlay at the top over here is turned on. Now once your Apple AirPlay on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV is turned on, you want to come over to your iPhone now. Now scroll over to the notification center, just scroll down, and then you're going to see the screen mirroring option over here, which is basically this box icon stacked upon another box. Just go ahead and click on it, and automatically your iPhone will start looking for all of the available Hisense Smart TVs you can actually connect to. Now as you can see over here, the name of my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV is Living Room TV. So I'll just go ahead and select it just like so, and then go ahead and enter the same code that is displayed on my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV into my iPhone. So I'll go ahead and enter that same code, which is basically 3566, and then click on OK, and automatically your iPhone will be screen mirrored or screencasted to your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So from here, I can go ahead and start playing music, playing game from my phone, and it will be displayed on my Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.